Who the heck are you?
My name's Randy. I'm the keeper of these woods.
Hi, Randy. I'm just a hiker. I'm going back to my camp spot. See ya.
Wait, stop!
What, dude?
This is a rare fossil. Right here. This is a crystal geode.
Really? Is it worth anything?
Never mind, just a dumb old rock. Old Granny used to give these ones a hard look at them. She thought they were healing stones. Oh well.
Whoa, watch out, man.
Sorry man, my apologies. Joey betrayed me.
Joey? Who's Joey?
Oh, Joey, you're gonna love these guys. Here we go. This one's Henry. This one's Little Sal. This one's Hendrik. Joey. Oh no. Joey! Wait a minute. Where did you go? Whoa. Nature's Pizza.